There you go. They're ready to eat and they have a good time. 6 puppies. There you go. The mom and dad, they are eating too. They leave the babies alone today. They said, you guys leave, you guys eat, then we're gonna be eat on the separate. Everybody eating separate. They have a good time today. They are eating, oh, I can't show you. They are eating ground beef and rice. I love to feed them. There you go, beautiful babies. All of them long hair. Mom and dad right there. They have a good time. You can see the faces today. They are a little bit wet. They was taking shower earlier. I was cleaning the floor. They was taking shower. There you go. You can see the face on this one. She got green eyes. Right there, green eyes, blue eyes. This one got green eyes. That's my favorite one. The black one, she had black eyes. That's one beautiful girl have a blue eyes. They're all beautiful babies. I believe nobody have these puppies. Oh, you see the blue eyes? Here you go. Beautiful baby, got blue eyes right there. There you go. You can see the blue eyes right here. They're going to eat the dad food right there. Mama coming to eat the baby's food. And the baby's right here. She was coming to me. She is really, really friendly. That's my favorite baby. She got green eyes. What you want, baby? What you want? Alright, friends. Just subscribe my channel. Hit me up with the new videos. I can show you my puppies. Thank you.